Target entry inside the mouth. Refined sucrose crystals are moments away from breaking down in saliva. Glucose surge. A massive wave of glucose bursts through the intestinal wall and enters the bloodstream. Inside the liver cell, a flood of glucose crashes into liver cells through the portal vein. The overwhelming sugar load pushes the cell to the brink of collapse.
Fat production begins. Excess glucose is rapidly converted into sticky triglyceride droplets inside the liver.
Bloodstream overflow. The liver can no longer handle the sugar overload. Glucose floods into the bloodstream, filling blood vessels with razor-sharp sugar crystals. Cell damage. A single red blood cell drifts through the bloodstream. A sharp glucose crystal pierces and damages its fragile membrane. Aging blood vessels. Advanced glycation end products, AGEs, begin to accumulate. Blood vessel walls become stiff, laying the foundation for atherosclerosis. Insulin factory activated pancreatic beta cells enter emergency mode, producing insulin at maximum capacity. Receptor resistance. Insulin receptors become overwhelmed. The cellular gates begin to shut. Insulin resistance. The exhausted receptors reject insulin, preventing glucose from entering the cell. Vulnerable plaque formation. Unstable plaque develops inside the artery. A rupture could trigger a blood clot, leading to a heart attack or stroke. The factory collapses. Years of overload destroy pancreatic beta cells. The insulin factory begins to fail permanently. Energy shutdown without glucose. Mitochondria lose their fuel supply. The cell's power plants slowly fade away. Cleanup begins. HDL cholesterol particles arrive like microscopic cleaners, removing lipids from hardened plaque.
The gate reopens. Insulin successfully binds to its receptor. The cellular gate opens, allowing glucose to flow inside once again.
Balance restored, metabolism returns to harmony. Cells, organs, and tissues begin functioning together in perfect balance once more.
엑스트 에피소드 알코올